Hello guys, can you check? This is really amazing paper box sample we did. Can you check? Magnetic flap, open it and open the second layer. Oh my god, inside is the pieces for your product. And most important, oh my god, see what is the point? The point is the pump cartoons, and also when I down this flap, it will lift up. You can see the effect. Very interesting, right? My god. Everything can be customized in our factory, including the logo and the printing the artwork. So, if you need so kind of pump up and lift up kind of paper box, welcome to inquiry. And also, if you need the paper bag, we can make it also like this. What do you think? Send me the message now and I give you the quotation and the sample. Thank you so much.